19 लाख मशीनें गायब हैं, ये सत्य है, इसको कोई मना नहीं कर रहा है। इन मशीनों पे पेपर के स्टिकर लगे हुए, नंबर नहीं है इन पे कोई, तो एक स्टिकर किसी और मशीन पे लगा दो, 19 लाख की जो चोरी की मशीनें हैं उन पे इन मशीनों का स्टिकर लगा के वोट बदल के, एक तरीका नहीं है। घपला ही घपला है इन मशीनों में। इन मशीनों से सुरक्षित चुनाव हो ही नहीं सकते। उसका अगर आप सब लोग जजमेंट का पहला पैराग्राफ पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें ये साफ लिखा है कि हम सारे पिटिशनर्स को, कि हमें कोई भी शक नहीं है इलेक्शन कमीशन के ऊपर, और हमें कोई भी शक नहीं है इलेक्शन कमीशन की मंशा और उनकी ईमानदारी। मिशन सेव कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड आई myself did not participate in the litigation for the simple reason that this petition and this litigation was fought on the premise that petitioners do not have any doubt over the election commission, which is a big lie. We do not think so. We are categorically saying that election commission is committing fraud on the voters. It is committing theft of votes.
Election Commission is committing fraud on this country. It has to be stated clearly, specifically, which unfortunately all our senior lawyers, all our petitioners did not put before the court, and that is single most important reason why we lost this case. I am of this opinion. When you yourself are saying that we do not mistrust the Election Commission, what is left? So this petition which we are going to file is going to be opened like this. Election Commission is fully complicit with RSS and BJP. They are committing fraud. They are committing every theft on the Constitution of India and on their duties.
The Election Commission is having all the safeguards. This is what the Supreme Court judgment says, and therefore the EVM machines are safe. और इसके बेसिस पे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है क्योंकि ये है इसलिए ईवीएम सेफ है। और ये देख लीजिए आप, ये है ही नहीं, ये किताब ही एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती जमीन पे। इतनी सारी गाइडलाइंस, इतने सारे सेफगार्ड्स हैं, ये सेफगार्ड्स सारे पूरे होंगे तब जाके ईवीएम मशीनें सुरक्षित होंगी। ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट है और वही हमने कुछ सबूत आपको दिखा रहे हैं। हमारे पास दर्जनों वीडियोस ऐसी हैं जो इस बात को दिखाएंगी कि सारे प्रोविजन जो इन किताबों में लिखे गए तोड़े गए, सारे धज्जियां उड़ाई गई सब। Machines are safe because there is no human contact, and because why there is no human contact? Because there is a strong room which nobody can access. This strong room has a seal on the gates which is signed by political parties. आपका कोई भी प्रोविजन फॉलो नहीं हो रहा है, ना यहाँ सील्स हैं, ना किन मशीनों पे सील लगी हुई है। ये खुली मशीनें हैं, इसका मतलब कोई भी इनके साथ छेड़छाड़ कर सकता है। स्ट्रॉन्ग रूम में ताले नहीं है और ये खुली रखी हुई मशीन।
इलेक्शन कमीशन जब अमृतकाल की खीर खा चुके तो ये धंधे करेंगे, ये मशीन पे करेंगे, ये ना माने किससे की धक्काशाही होगी। अब तो जनता करेगी इसका ऐलान।
My contesting Rampur election was to show to the world, and I was anticipating this judgment of the Supreme Court, was to show to the world that whatever safeguards are being projected or flaunted by the Election Commission and the government, that these machines are safe. Whatever safeguards they are, both on the side of technicalities as well as manual safeguards, they don't exist on the ground. Not only they don't exist, but nobody on earth can implement those safeguards, can have those safeguards. This was the main motive of my contesting from Rampur election, which I think I got success, absolute success, 100% success I have got. Every rule in the book was broken by the officials of Election Commission, by the local officials of Election Commission, that is RO, AROs, the polling parties. Every rule in the book was broken, and that too deliberately. I am saying deliberately because I wrote letters at every stage that these are the points which are being flouted, these are the provisions which are being deliberately flouted by the officials of Election Commission. Please correct it. And these letters we wrote to the highest level, that is the Election Commission of India. But nothing happened. I was hoping that all the political parties will contact me so that I can train them, teach their candidates to follow this procedure so that they can also collect evidence against the use of EVM, which will help them in actually setting aside these elections by way of election petitions. But unfortunately that has not happened for the reasons best known to the leadership of these political parties which are in opposition. Not just of moral code of conduct, but under RP Act and various provisions of Indian Penal Code have been committed by the officials of the Election Commission vis-a-vis election EVM machines. So we will file FIRs also against these officials who have wantonly, who have deliberately, who have willfully committed these offences against the law of the land. Everything is dependent on our votes. So I don't think there is anything more important than the establishment of my right to vote. That I want to vote for X, it should go to X within my perception. I could feel my vote, I have to feel my vote, I have to see my vote with my own senses, and I have to ensure that my vote which I have given with my eyes, with the verification of my eyes, my feel, is safely kept till the time that vote is counted. It is a fundamental right. Nothing is more sacrosanct in a democracy than this.